ओम गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम गं गणपतये नमः। हनुमते नमः। रम रमाय नमः। ओम मातेश्वरी नमो नमः। ओम मातपिता चरणकमलेभ्यो नमो नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। Welcome to Astrology for You. I myself Acharya Sanjay from Rourkela, Odisha, India. Now in the present time in the sky there is two major conjunction. One is शनि राहु श्रापित योग और शनि राहु पिशाच योग, conjunction between Shani and Rahu in the Pisces house, in the Pisces sign. And what kind of effect in the world, in present situation and present scenario. All over the world, it's a very panic condition in different battlefields, and in the human life it affects the excessive mental aggressiveness. It may in Hindu Muslim or any kind of religious anger, and all in the India also the condition about work board and other kind of Bangladesh India conflict, Pakistan India conflict, and it affects directly in the human life when in this present scenario also the Kala Sarpa Yoga is active. In the sky, all the planets, particularly between the Rahu and Ketu, and this situation, it affects the human life. Internal aggravation, and it also make the people in a mental conflict, mental complex, blockages in the mind, and excess uneasiness and laziness. And this scenario and this condition in the sky affect the human life and political different negative scenarios and conditions. See, the Bangladesh chief is Pisces sign. He commit many kind of wrong decision and wrong deed with the China government. And Bangladesh is Aries sign. In the 1970-71, New Bangladesh only is Aries sign. Same for Pakistan, Aries sign. And this is the impact of Shani sadhesati. This is the basic scenario in the geopolitics. And the wrong decision, and you may say wrong decision or you may say it is instability in his word is President Trump tariff. And same in this condition in our Odisha, that is KIT, KIIT, Kalinga Institute of Technology and all, Achyut Samant. His only is Leo sign and he is in trouble. It is Shani, Kantaka Shani, the 8th of Saturn and Rahu, moving towards jail and illegal problem arising in his life. Same Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi only is Scorpio sign, is the 5th of Shani and Rahu. Now 10-year back litigation come out in the world in his life and he is in problem. Another Kundli is Sonia Gandhi. The Lagna is Cancer and the moon sign is Gemini. As per Gemini, and in her Kundli the negative conjunctions are there, like Shukra and Jupiter in one house, there will be more chance for jail and other and some other kind of problem in her life. So many more. Now situation is so peculiar and critical due to this Kala Sarpa. Now it is very essential to you people that if you feel what is the real impact when in the sky Kala Sarpa is going on, and you people, if you have in your birth chart Kala Sarpa is there, then you feel laziness, you feel excessive anger. And in the present sky, see this one house, that is Leo sign, Simha Rasi, is blocked in Papa Kartari. Then Cancer sign Mars, and in Virgo sign Ketu, and this house is completely blocked. After the April, after the 15th of May, this Aries sign is also in Papa Kartari. Because when the sun transit towards this house, and the Saturn and Rahu, Saturn is there in Pisces sign and Sun is in this house, then this is also affected by Papa Kartari. And when this is in Papa Kartari, there will be more chance for such kind of people are moving towards the jail due to legal illegal problem. In the world, the big people, the leaders, those who are in problem in this present time, and the case in their life, particularly legal case, illegal cases, they may create problem in their life. So now in the present time, Shani sadhesati Aquarius, Shani sadhesati Pisces sign, Shani sadhesati Aries sign, and Saturn Dheya for Leo sign, Saturn Dheya for Sagittarius, and Scorpio. It is the 5th of Shani, that is called Panauti Shani. These people are in problemable peak Shani sadhesati Dheya time period will come very soon. Be alert for such kind of problem. And also you general people, it is very essential to understand when in the sky Kala Sarpa Yoga, when in the sky Shani Rahu Shrapita Yoga, when in the sky any house is in the Papa Kartari or block condition, what kind of effect in your life. Thank you.